హలో హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు ఫిట్నెస్ 360. ఈరోజు మనం కెఫీ ఆర్ట్ అండ్ వెల్నెస్ సెంటర్లో ఉన్నాం. సో ఏరియల్ యోగాలోనే డిఫరెంట్ ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ వాటి బెనిఫిట్స్ ఏంటో ఇప్పుడు తెలుసుకుందాం. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏరియల్ యోగాకి సంబంధించిన ఎక్స్పర్ట్ అండ్ ట్రైనర్ ప్రాచి ఉన్నారు. సో తను ముందుగా ఏ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కైనా మనం వార్మప్తో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం కదా, అసలు ఈ ఏరియల్ యోగా బెనిఫిట్స్ ఏంటి, వార్మప్ ఎలా చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు చూపిస్తాను. Ma'am, actually, what is the difference of yoga and aerial yoga, and main benefits enti aerial yoga prati okkaru practice cheyadam valla?
Okay, so yoga is a very traditional style of fitness. I can say it's not just fitness; it is a very big journey for people in the spirituality. But aerial yoga came out to be more of a fun part of yoga, which combines the arts from aerial silks. So aerial silks is a dance form. So things are taken from aerial silks and inspiration is taken from yoga and yoga asanas. So yoga asanas and aerial silks together came out to be a form that is now called as aerial yoga. So we do certain asanas of yoga, like you can see people do a side angle pose, a downward facing dog pose, a scorpion pose. All these poses we do it in the class with the help of the hammock. They sometimes are easier with the help of the hammock. Sometimes they add a little challenge, working more towards the strength. The biggest benefit of aerial yoga is that you can do suspended inversions. So in normal yoga, to build up for inversions, it takes time for students, a certain amount of practice for students. But in aerial yoga, you can do all those inversions very easily with the help of the hammock. So the hammock acts as a sling, helps you to do inversions. Also, it is amazing for your mental health because all these inversions make sure that your mind is silenced. It also makes sure that your thoughts are not wavering too much. And that's how it helps with overall stability of the mind and of the body.
ఈరోజు క్లాస్లో పర్టికులర్గా లోవర్ బాడీ అండ్ హిప్ స్టెబిలిటీ గురించి ప్రాచి నేర్పిస్తున్నారు, అండ్ మీరు కూడా చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి.
Your left hand to the right side and you're pushing the hammock. So as you push the hammock, let it push the leg also. So when the leg turns in a twist, it gives you more stability. So let's do this part. We take the left hand outside the right side of the hammock and push the leg a little in. Yeah, it's okay if your knee bends, that's fine. Push the leg a little more in, Alisha. Try. Yeah. And then take the right hand back into a twist. And stay there. Stay 3, 2, and 1. And then come back. We're going to switch the leg in a fun way, so give it a try. Alisha, it's your first class. I give you the option. Just give it a try if it happens. If it doesn't happen, it's okay. So hold the hammock up. We're going to shift the weight back. Release the leg. Switch the legs in the hammock, swinging and down. That's okay. Yeah, just swing the leg. Lift the leg up, lift the leg up. That's it. Very nice. And release the other leg. Very good. Okay, we start with the lunge position or warrior one kind of legs. So taking the hands up, shifting the weight forward, allowing the hips to sink down, coming into a deep lunge. Beautiful. And then shifting the weight back, shifting the weight more back till you come in a rounded back position. Beautiful. Shifting the weight forward, coming into a warrior one kind of position. And shifting the weight back, you're rounding the back. 2 more times. Shifting the weight forward. Allow the hips to sink down. Yeah. A little forward, Aishwarya, yeah. Good. And then shifting the weight back, rounding the back. One last time, shifting the weight forward, coming into a deep lunge, and shifting the weight back, going into a rounded back position. And then back to the center, and we turn towards the shades in the room. Hands on the waist, we're working on the balance and stability. So you're shifting the weight towards the front of the room and in. Good going. Towards the front and in. Towards the front and in. Yeah. Alisha, shift the weight. In. Yeah. That's it. And go back in. Go back in. You're only pushing forward. So push forward and then in. That's it. And then come back to the center. We go into the side angle pose. So you're going to shift the weight towards the knee which is bent. Take your shoulder in, your left shoulder in, your left hand down, and your right hand goes up. And you can look forward towards the shades. Bhuvna, I want you to shift the weight more towards the front. Yeah, that's when it becomes a side angle pose. Good. Stay there. Stay 3, 2, and 1. And then shift the weight back. Back to the center. And turn towards the front. We're going to slide the hammock till the ankles. Now first we'll go into a forward bend. So find your balance. Raise both the hands up. And bend forward. Holding the hammock, you can slide the hands down. Reach for your shin, ankle, feet, wherever your body allows you today. Stay 3, 2, and 1. And then rise up. Bring your hands down. Now your your right hand goes to the left side of the hammock. Push the hammock slightly so that your leg also turns in. And then you twist behind. And stay there. Stay 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the center. We're going to hold the hammock up. Now let's slide out from the hammock. So we're going to shift the weight back. Take the other leg in the hammock. And then bend the knees. You come into a sliding position and sit in the hammock. You got this, Alisha? Yeah, take the other leg in. Bend the knees. That's it. Okay, and then step down. We'll go into some inversion. That will also help us to rest. For the ones who have been doing it, that will help you to rest. For Alisha, I'll help you out if needed. This is a flying down dog. All 3 of you can go along with me and then I'll help you out, Alisha. So you push the hammock down. Keep the hammock at your hip crease, like your bony area. And then bend forward, taking both the hands down to the mat. You walk the legs back first. That's your down dog pose. And then raise the legs up and wide. That will be your flying down dog pose. Alright. The ones who are there can stay there for some time. When your legs feel a little worked out, you bend the knees and wrap the feet around. And then that would be your scorpion pose. Yeah, you can do it anytime. So bending the knees and wrapping the feet around. You can do it anytime. Nice. Bend forward. Forward. Beautiful. Walk the leg more back. Slightly more back. Yeah. And then kick up one leg. Up and wide. Yeah, nice. The other one also. Up and wide. That's okay. I'm holding. Up. Yeah. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. And take the weight of your legs. Up. Up. Okay. Should I help you bend the knee? Yeah, bend the knee, bend the knee. Okay. Okay, get down. It's good. That's a good try. Nice. And then now you can also bend the knee, Aishwarya. So bend the knee and come out. That's also cool. Go in the scorpion pose again. Go in this one. So that's the scorpion pose. This is usually done in normal yoga without any support, but the hammock makes it more accessible. Yeah. Yeah, you can do it again. And then you can bend your elbows and place the forearms down and just rest. Yeah. Bend the feet from the outside. Good. And then you can bend the elbow, let the forearms come down. So every pose that we did, we nearly held it for say 5 counts, a few breaths. And that's more than enough to do it in the hammock because that goes into your deeper muscles. At the same time, inversions are very subjective. It can be held for 2 breaths. It can be held for 5 minutes, depending on the comfort of the one who is doing it.
ఏరియల్ యోగాకి సంబంధించి మరిన్ని ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
Alright, after doing the first part, now we are going into some inverted poses as well as making some shapes with the hammock. When I say shapes, these are poses that will, the poses that will take you into different position of your legs, your arms. Alright, come behind the hammock, everyone. So we learn first to stand in the hammock and we step the right leg in. So right feet in the hammock. Center of the feet, yeah. And bend the knee. Your knee should come a little outside. Give it a try. So when your knee comes a little outside, that means you will have that balance and not swing in the hammock when you go up into standing position. Yeah, and then take your hands up and then come up into standing. Very nice. Bend your knee more, Alicia. Bend your knee more. You can place the other leg as well. Good. Now you're going to take the right leg out from the behind. From the behind. So it is out. And then place it on the thigh, which is your tree pose. Alright, now from the tree pose, you're going to turn towards the leg which is bent. So I'm taking my shoulder in, elbow in and shoulder in. And then turning, I'm also changing the hand. So see the change of the hand. I'm holding it in reverse grip. So hold it in reverse grip and turn towards the shade. So I'm turning my hips in a way that the hammock comes to the center of your back. Yeah. And this leg which is bent now will go a little inside and push the hammock. Alicia, turn. First turn. Yeah, one hand behind, one hand front. Once your leg comes inside, pushes the hammock away, then you can take both the hands behind. Yeah. So, you're there and then you push it. Yeah, push and turn completely. Nice. Turn completely, push and sit down like you're sitting in the hammock. Yeah. Good. Push more with your feet. Keep the feet diagonal. Yeah. And then you can hold both the hands behind. It is scary, but your hammock is there at the center to balance you. It's okay if you want to come out, that's fine. You can come out. Okay, others, you push the hammock with both the feet. So both the feet straight. You're pushing the hammock and take the hammock on the right side of your shoulder. Okay, so move it towards the right side of your head. Yeah, very nice. Now, we're going to push the legs away and lift the hips up. Yeah, so working a little more on the hip strength in the hammock. And down. Beautiful. Again, up as much as your body allows you today. And down. Beautiful. And then switch sides. So now get the hammock to the left side. And lift up again. So pushing the legs away, lifting the hips up. And down. It's okay, Alicia. You can just balance over there. Let's do it one more time. Push the legs away, lifting up like you're going in a plank position. And down. Beautiful. Now sit. You can bend the knees. Yeah. You come in a sitting pose. Then turn to any one side, release the legs. And you come down. Okay, good job everyone. That was great balance with the hammock. And then come back. Come back to the center and take the hammock in front of you. We open the hammock again and this time we are going to stand with the open hammock. Open it wide. Alright, so now we're going to do a starfish pose. If you can't see me, you can just come a little this side. You're able to see, right? Okay. So now we're going to do the starfish pose. For this one, we need the leg a little bit outside the edge. We need the feet a little bit outside the edge. So I'm holding most of the hammock behind. When I see the front edge, just a little bit of fabric in the front, I'll step there with one of the leg, keeping the toe out. Okay? So let's do this part together. Yeah. And then bend the knee, take the hands up and come up into standing. And then take the other leg also towards the front. So you're standing with both the legs, keeping the toe out. It'll be a bit of struggle to get both the legs in. Alright, stay there, it's okay. I'll come and help you after I portray the pose. So now you lean back, bend the knees and take them to the side. And you're pushing the weight forward. Yeah, good. And then grab the hammock from the behind, the free hammock from the behind. Bring it to the front once on one side. So how I'm getting it is I'm leaning to one side, creating space on the other so that I can get the hammock. Now I get the hammock this side and then I'm leaning to the opposite side, getting the free fabric from behind towards the front. Yeah. Aishwarya, you need to do this again. Your knee is almost out. So when your thighs are covered, you feel safe in this pose. Yeah. Yeah, knee pointing to the side, that's good. You got it. So this is your starfish pose. Yeah, and that's just once. That's it. And then you bend the elbows. It's okay, Alisha, I'll come to you. Okay? You bend the elbows, bring the hands towards the front and go in a back bending pose here. Beautiful. And then back. Back to the starfish. Yeah, come back to the standing one, the same one, Aishwarya. So you can come here. Yes. Now if you have the stability, get the hammock to your neck. I'll explain you all at once. Because they're there, I'm just explaining the next part. Okay, and we make the chicken wings with the hands. So the hands are facing towards the front, palms are facing towards the front. You're leaning on one side, take the elbow back, make a big circle. Yeah. Then lean on the other side. Yeah, come up into again. Yeah, and make a nice circle. Good. Once you get this, push it a little down. It's okay if it is a little uneven. Hold both the hands. That's fine. No, it's fine. It's just a little stability that your body needs over there. And then you fall forward in the inversion. So that's your inverted Batman kind of pose. Good. And then to come out from there, you just have to get your knees together and take the hips inside towards the ground. From here, get the knees together and hips down towards the hammock. That's it. And a back bend. So bending the elbows. Yeah, leaning forward. Bending the elbows, hands inside, a little up. Yeah. And then you lean forward. Elbows are still inside. Yes.
Is it difficult for the beginners stretching?
I would say it's a little challenging if they have never done it on the hammock because they are trusting another fabric to do all these stretches. So building up that trust takes a little while and hence it's a little challenging for beginner. But everybody gets their way around easily after 1 or 2 classes.
చూసారు కదా ఏరియల్ యోగాకు సంబంధించిన మరిన్ని విశేషాలు. సో ఫిట్నెస్ కి సంబంధించిన ఎన్నో అద్భుతమైన విశేషాలు మీకు చూపిస్తూనే ఉంటాం. మిస్ కాకుండా చూస్తూ ఉండండి ఫిట్నెస్ 360.